Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make my version of Robert Patrick's T1000 out of LEGO. So without any further ado, let us begin. Starting off, I took some dark blue legs from this Thanos minifigure. The torso comes from this LEGO Movie security guard with some added fleshy hands. The head that I used comes from this stormtrooper. And finally, the hair comes from this resistance officer. Doing it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting all your parts together. Overall, I'm quite pleased with how this has turned out. Terminator 2 is one of my favourite movies, and I think I definitely did a good job. If you have any ideas for any future videos, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. You might like my video on how to make Walter White, or possibly a Star Wars thing, so I will put the playlist and that video on the end screen now.